Okay, he did it.
Oh, wow. Oh, my Band-Aid's slipping off.
Oh, this is cold. No, it's not. Just jump in.
Just do this. It is cold. Did you go off the inside?
Just put my weight. You alright?
I peed on the ladder.
Harrison?
I didn't do, Mommy, I didn't do front to side and then that's how to go back.
Jacob, he's recording.
Go!
Okay. Still. I didn't have a needle, so I sunk down.
Daddy, we're already back.
Alright, Jenna. I'm filming whatever you wanted to do a minute ago.
Do your back top.
Oh, there you go.
Is that a back top?
Oh,
That's
it's
front.
cold. It's cold when you get out.
Every time she lands, she says that.
Put it, Harrison. Videoing me.
Go. No, quit.
Jacob, now how is my dancing any worse than your dancing?
It's not. I never said it was.
He just said it's bad. Implying that his is
Quit
bad
it.
too.
Go.
What is it with that? It sounds like a bird. A dying animal. No, it's a dying cat. And then the back tuck.
Ew, someone got pee here?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. She's getting brave.
Oh, the awning.
You're fine.
You're
The awning
fine.
scares me. Scary awning.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Okay, and then Harrison, and he's being pushed off by Jacob. No, I need my noodle. My noodle. I want the noodle. Jacob took my noodle. Give me my noodle back.
Jacob, pull it in with you.
No, let's get out of here. No, my noodle. I want the noodle.
Put it, Harrison.
I want the noodle.
Accident. Jacob
Man, she
pulled
wants
it.
a
Mommy, was that good?
My Bruce is recording you. Go do something.
Mommy, was that so good?
Not at all. You were fine, baby. Look
You're